Here is the snow around 11:57 a.m. It stopped snowing from last night. And yeah, here it is. It's like frozen snow. It's not like light. Down the end of the driveway here, I stepped down. Yeah, this is it. The road has been plowed from last night. They plowed it this morning. It's been cleaned out. Here's the streets. They cleaned it out from this morning. And here is here. Blowing snow everywhere. It's very brisk out here, freezing. Slush here. This is all cleared out too. The snow is not soft, it's like ice now. I'm about to go shoveling the snow out of this driveway. It's gonna be a task because it's all frozen from last night. Yeah. At least 3 inches of snow at least. It's all cleared out as well, which is a good thing. It's not like snow, it's ice now.